Today we are going to see problems on Taylor series. Okay, let's see the problem. Expand e power x cos y about 0 comma pi by 2 up to third term using Taylor series. Okay, solution. First we have to find the derivative and the values at 0 comma pi by 2. So the given f of x comma y equal to e to the power x cos y. So f of 0 comma pi by 2 will be is equal to, put x is equal to 0 and y is equal to pi by 2, we will get e power 0 cos pi by 2, so which is equal to 0. Next, f suffix x which is equal to e power x cos y. Next, f suffix x of 0 comma pi by 2 will be is equal to same 0. Next, f y of the derivative will be e power x cos y by differential I will get minus sin y. Next, f y of 0 comma pi by 2 will be is equal to minus e power 0 sin pi by 2 which is equal to 1 minus 1. Similarly, f x of e power fxx equal to e power x cos y corresponding fxx of 0 comma pi by 2 will be 0. Wherever you get the cos term, the cos pi by 2 will be 0. And f x y of e power x cos, fxy value will be equal to e power x minus sin y, and fxy of 0 comma pi by 2 value will be minus 1. Next, fyy of fyy value will be equal to e power x minus sin y by differentiate minus cos y, so which is equal to f y of 0 comma pi by 2 will be equal to e power x, that is e power 0 minus cos pi by 2. Again cos pi by 2 is 0, therefore it is 0. These are the second derivatives. Now we have to go for the third derivatives. So for this, f triple x, which is same as e power x cos y. The reason is differentiation of e power x is always e power x. So f triple x of 0 comma pi by 2 will be 0. Next, f x of y will be e power x minus sin y. which is nothing but f x x y of 0 comma pi by 2 will be minus 1. Next, f x y y will be is equal to, differentiate the second time with y, so you will get e power x minus cos y, 2 times differentiate with respect to y for x same constant. So you will get f x y y of 0 comma pi by 2, which is 0, since e power 0 into minus cos 0, sorry, minus cos pi by 2. Since cos pi by 2 is 0, therefore this is 0. Next, f triple y will be equal to e power x minus cos y is sin y. So the value of f triple y of 0 comma pi by 2 will be 1. Now we have to write the Taylor series formula, that is f of x comma y will be is equal to f of 0 comma pi by 2 plus 1 by 1 factorial into f x of 0 comma pi by 2 plus f y of 0 comma pi by 2 x into, and this is y into, plus 1 by 2 factorial into x square f x x of 0 comma pi by 2 plus x y of 2 times x y of f x y of 0 comma pi by 2 plus y square into f y y of 0 comma pi by 2, and for third order 1 by 3 factorial into x cube f triple x of 0 comma pi by 2 plus 3x square y into f x x y of 0 comma pi by 2 plus 3 x y square of f x y y of 0 comma pi by 2 plus f triple y of 0 comma pi by 2, and this is for y cube, plus so on. Now if you substitute these values, you will get, we should be is equal to f of 0 comma pi by 2 is 0 plus 1 by 1 factorial into x. The first derivative with respect to x will be 0 plus y. Derivative with respect to y, we got minus 1 here. Fy of 0, fy of 0 comma pi by 2 is minus 1 plus 1 by 2 factorial into x square is 0, because differential with respect to x always remain the same because of e power x, plus 2xy into minus 1 plus y square into f double y will be again with respect to cos y, that is 0, sin y cos y will be 0, and then third derivative plus 1 by 3 factorial into x cube into 0 plus 3x square y into f double x y value will be minus 1 plus 3xy square into f x double y will be 0 plus y cube into 1. On simplifying plus dot dot. On simplifying this, we get f of x comma y will be is equal to 0 plus 1 by 1 factorial. So actually it is shifted, so x into 0 plus y minus pi by 2, y is shifted to pi by 2, y minus 0 into minus 1 plus 1 by 2 factorial into x square into 0 plus 2x into y minus pi by 2 into minus 1 plus y square, that is y minus pi by 2 into 0 plus 1 by 3 factorial x cube into 0 plus 3x square y minus pi by 2 into minus 1 plus 3x y minus pi by 2 the whole square into 0 plus y minus pi by 2 the whole cube into 1 plus dot. Final simplification we get f of x comma y will be is equal to 0 here 1 y minus pi by 2 outside will be minus 1 plus 1 by 2 factorial x square 0 and there 0. So you will get minus will be outside. I can take the minus out. So you will get 2x y minus pi by 2 plus 1 by 3 factorial into 0. This is minus 1 and this is 1. So minus 3x square y minus pi by 2 plus y minus pi by 2 the whole cube plus so this is further if you want you can simplify it. So we will get minus y minus pi by 2 which is in the bracket and then minus and 2 to I can cancel it. So you'll get minus x y minus pi by 2 and 1 by 6. So minus was there. So minus 3 factorial. So x square y minus pi by 2 divided by 2 plus y minus pi by 2 the whole cube by 6 3 factorial plus so this is my final answer. This is the Taylor series of e power x cos y about x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 5.